Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter number 7, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay, that is your chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. So basically in this chapter we have to learn about three things: weather, climate and adaptation in different types of animals. Okay, so today we will take up the topic weather. First of all, what is weather? We used to say frequently about the weather, like today's weather is too humid, right? Sometimes we used to say today's weather is too warm, right now? So what is weather? Weather means day to day conditions. Weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere. Of the atmosphere. So weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place. At a particular place. With respect to temperature, humidity, wind speed and rainfall. Clear? Wind speed and rainfall. So what is weather? Weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place with respect to temperature, rainfall, wind speed and humidity. Clear? Suppose if I'll talk about Panipat, here its weather is too humid. Right now, today here in Panipat, weather is too humid. So weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place. Clear? Now, next is elements of weather. Our next topic is elements of weather. First of all, what do you mean by the term elements? Elements means the different things that affects the weather of a particular place. Clear? Now, as I told you, weather is affected by temperature. So one of the element will be temperature. Clear? First, temperature is the element of weather. So first element is weather, temperature. Now, second element is humidity. Second element of weather is humidity. Now, what is humidity? Before that, tell me what is temperature. We had done it in chapter number 4. What is temperature? Yes, right. Temperature means degree of hotness of an object. Okay? Temperature means degree of hotness of an object. And temperature is one of the element of weather. Second element is humidity. Now what is humidity? Humidity means amount of water vapor present in a particular area. Humidity means amount of water vapor. Clear? Present in a particular area. If the amount of water vapor is more, it means the weather will be humid. And if the amount of water vapor would be less, then the weather would be less humid. Clear? Now, third element is, as I told you, wind speed. Third element is wind speed. Now, next element is rainfall, and indirectly rainfall affects humidity. Right now, if there will be rainfall, amount of water vapor in the air would be more. Then the air would be more humid. Clear? So indirectly these two elements are related. Clear? So these are the different elements that determines the weather of a particular place. Now what is weather? Yes, weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place with respect to temperature, humidity, wind speed and rainfall. Clear? And these are the different elements of weather. These are the different elements that determines the weather of a particular place. Temperature, rainfall, humidity and wind speed. Clear? Now, third point about weather. Now, third point about weather. Weather is a complex phenomena. Weather is a complex phenomena. Now, it means we can't predict the weather easily. Clear? We can't predict the weather easily. Now, can you please elaborate this statement? What is the meaning of this statement? That we can't predict the weather easily. Think. Right. You might have observed this in your daily life. Sometimes in the early morning it is sunny, right? And suddenly after a few minutes you just don't know from where cloud suddenly appears and then it rains heavily, right now? So we can't predict the weather easily. Sometimes it is raining heavily and in a couple of minutes clouds they just vanish and sunlight appears. Earlier it was raining, now it is sunny, right now? So we can't predict the weather easily. Right now, you might have observed this in your daily life. In the morning sometimes it is sunny and then suddenly rain starts. And sometimes there is raining, heavily even. And then suddenly all the clouds, rain vanishes and then sun arises. Right? So we can't predict the weather. It is a complex phenomena. Okay. One more thing. Weather can change week after week or day after day or, as I told you now, only within a short period of time. Within a short period of time. Clear? So, weather can change week after week. It can change day after day, or it can change within a short period of time. Like I had given you the example, sometimes it is sunny and then it starts raining suddenly after that within a short period of time. So we can't predict the weather easily. Clear? Now, I would like to ask one thing. You might have read the weather report in the newspaper, right? Or you might have seen the weather report in the television. Now, who prepares the weather report? Tell me. The weather report is prepared by meteorological department of the government. Okay? So weather report is prepared by meteorological department of the government. Clear? So who prepares the weather report? Meteorological department of the government. Now our next topic is measurement of temperature. Our next topic is measurement of temperature. Now, tell me one thing. How do we measure our body temperature? During fever, how do we measure our body temperature? Yes, with the help of thermometer, right? Now, in chapter 4, we had discussed about different types of thermometer, right? Suppose if I want to measure my body temperature, then I will use, clinical thermometer. Now here, I suppose the meteorological department of the government is supposed to measure the temperature of the atmosphere. Obviously, they will use thermometer. Now, can they use clinical thermometer? Answer is no. So, in order to measure the temperature of the surrounding or of the atmosphere, we are having a special type of thermometer, that is maximum, minimum thermometer. Clear? So this is the thermometer that is used to measure the temperature of the atmosphere. Clear? Now tell me one thing. When the temperature of the atmosphere would be maximum and when it would be minimum? Think. When the temperature used to be maximum? Think. Right. In the afternoon. So during the afternoon, the temperature is maximum. During the afternoon, temperature is maximum. And when is the temperature minimum? Right. Generally during the early morning. Clear? So in the early morning, the temperature used to be minimum. Clear? The temperature used to be minimum. So, temperature of the atmosphere is measured by maximum, minimum thermometer. Maximum temperature is during the afternoon time and minimum temperature is generally during the early morning. Clear? Maximum temperature is there generally during the afternoon and minimum temperature is there during the early morning. Clear? Now, next topic, how rainfall is measured. Clear? Now, our next topic is measurement of rainfall. Measurement of rainfall. So rainfall is measured with the help of an instrument called rain gauge. What is the name of the instrument? Rain gauge. Rain gauge. Gauge. Okay? It is rain gauge. So, rainfall is measured with the help of rain gauge. Clear? Now, I am telling you the structure of this instrument. This instrument contains a cylinder. It contains a measuring cylinder. It consists of a measuring cylinder. Clear? A measuring cylinder means it will be having reading, markings. Suppose here I am having 2, 4, 6, like this. Okay? It will be having markings. So it consists of a measuring cylinder with the funnel at the top. At the top there is a funnel. At the top there is a funnel. Clear? So at the top there is a funnel. So here is a collecting funnel and here is a measuring cylinder. Clear? So this is the typical structure of a rain gauge. This part collects the rainfall. Then the rainfall falls in the measuring cylinder and then the level can be measured. Clear? So rainfall is measured by a special instrument called rain gauge. Clear? So this was our today's topic, weather. I am just repeating all the points once again. Weather means day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Clear? Next we had discussed elements of weather. Temperature, humidity, wind speed, rainfall. These are the different elements of weather. Clear? Then we had discussed how can we measure the temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place with the help of maximum, minimum thermometer. And how can we measure rainfall with the help of rain gauge. Clear? Thank you.